Good morning, on all present here. I'm Nandhini, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Engineering, the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic on design methodologies and future trends, and the topic is on IoT systems and management. What is the need for IoT systems and management? There are several ways. For example, we can use sensors, accumulator, softwares, and network resources, which have a complex softwares, hardwares, which are used for interface considerations. And we can manage multiple devices within a single system, which is used for required advanced management capabilities. What is the need for managing IoT systems require the following consideration. We have many things to consider the IoT configuration, and the main things are: first one is an automating configuration, second one is an monitoring operational statistical data, third one is improved reliability, fourth one is system wide configuration, fifth one is multiple system configuration, and the sixth one is retrying and reusing configuration. And the first one is automatic configuration. What is known as an automatic configuration? Auto means it is generating by itself and configuring by itself. So automatically it is doing its work. Second one, it is required when IoT system consists of many devices or nodes. If IoT system consists of many devices or nodes connected, then we can use this automatic configuration. Third step is have same configuration. If there are two devices or two nodes, that must have a same configuration. Fourth point is it can avoid variance or errors of manual configuration. Consider to our automatic configuration, the manual configuration, it is avoiding the errors. Next, the second topic is on monitoring operational statistical data. In it, the first point is it is used for collecting a system runtime, at what runtime it has been used, relation to system operating parameters. Second one is it consists of statistical data, desire system performance. For example, what is the usage of the memory, how a CPU has been used, all these types have been used. And the third point is this data is useful for fraud diagnosis and prognosis. How the data has been fraud by others, and how it can be diagnosed and how it has been prognosed by the monitoring system. These monitoring operational statistical data have been very useful for collecting the runtime of the system. The third heading is improved reliability, a management system that allows the validating the system configuration before they are put into effort can help in improving the system reliability. What they are going to say is then and there we must validate the system and we must configure it, so that time it is used for us to improve the system's reliability. Next one is a system wide configuration. In the system wide configuration, multiple devices and nodes must be configured in a critical correct functioning method. This configuration of each system separately means manual or automated. Either that system is manually encrypted or it is automatically encrypted. And the result is system fraud. Some system running new configuration whereas others still run old configuration. For example, configuration is a main thing that are used in IoT systems. Some newer systems use newer configuration and the older systems use older configuration. This result in fraud or undesirable outcome. To avoid the system-wide configuration is required where all devices are configured in a single automated transaction. For example, if there are many devices, it are automatically connected at one single point and it has been configured at that point. And the fourth one is multiple system configuration. For system, it may be desired to have multiple valid configuration which are applied at different times or in certain conditions. For example, if some system has been configured or multiple systems get configured at a time, for that what we have to do is which are applied at different times or in a certain conditions. Different times you must apply this configuration, or in a certain period of time you must apply this configuration. Next one is retrieving and reusing the configuration. What is the example of retrieving and reusing the configuration? Means it is for example, the system must be capable of retrieving it and reusing it. For example, IoT systems, Arduino boards, or that Arduino boards and all, we can easily retrieve and configure it in the path where we have to do. Thanks for your video.